English learners, how are you? Hope you all are doing fantastic in your happy life. Or you must be struggling hard with the spoken English, right? Don't worry, guys, it happens to all. Whenever we try to do something different, something new, it happens to all. It's a damn a dozen situation, very common to all. As it happens to me also when I was the beginner. In Norway's, I used to struggle hard a lot. I was not confident enough to speak even a single word. Many pauses, many mistakes, many fumbles. What not, guys? What not? I was alone at home to practice. No one was there to practice at home. No one was at school, as it was Hindi medium school. No one from the family, no one from the friends, no one. My city, my locality, everything was surrounded with Hindi, as English was supposed to be a subject only to get good marks and to pass the exam.
So this was the scenario with me. Oh my god, how difficult it was when I was the beginner. So don't think that only you are struggling hard. The people who are speaking fluently now, once they were also the beginner, they used to struggle hard as you are struggling hard now, right? So today I'm just gonna tell you the strategies which would help you to get the fluency. But I'm not getting from where to start, because it's not about one or two strategies. It's about a lot of strategies. A lot of hard work has been done to get the right one. But out of all those strategies which are not possible to disclose within this one video only, out of all those strategies, I'm gonna tell you three most important strategies which helped me immensely, right? So without any further delay, let's get dive into the main topic, right? So the first strategy is surround yourself with English. Yes, guys, you heard it right. You have to surround yourself with English. Now you might be thinking that we don't have anyone and the video is about how to practice alone. And I'm saying to you that you have to surround yourself with English. And how is it possible? Without partner, how can we surround ourselves with English? Yes, I understand, guys. It is possible. And I'm just gonna tell you how is it possible. Listen carefully, guys. It really doesn't matter to have someone to practice, right? As anyone can be with you only for 2 or 3 hours, not more than that. But one thing you are ignoring, that one thing that is with you 24/7. That is with you like your shadow. You are ignoring your mobile phone. Then why do you think about anyone, any partner? If you don't have the partner, then don't think about that. Think about that thing which you can do. Don't think about that thing which you can't do. Don't stop crying over it, right? Stop crying that you don't have partner and you can't do practice. Stop thinking like that. You have your partner in the form of mobile, which is with you 24/7. You wake up with it, you sleep with it, you walk with it, you eat with it, you get depressed with it, you get happy with it. So don't think any other thing. Just have it as a partner. Make it a partner to practice to get fluency. Now let me tell you how is it possible to make it as your English partner. First, you have to change the language of your mobile from Hindi into English so that the messages, the notification, everything would be on a screen on English. And the second one is subscribe all those English channels, as many English channels as you can, and unsubscribe all those Hindi channels. I know, guys, it's very hard. It's a hard nut to crack, a Herculean task. But guys, if you are passionate to do something, you have to do it with heavy heart, at least for some time, right? And guys, you would be surprised, amazed to know the result. You will be watching everything in English, the shows, the news, the podcast, the entertainment, the movies, anything. Everything would be in front of you in English. Your eyes will watch everything in the form of text, caption, subtitles, messages, notifications. Every textual thing would be in English. Now your ears will be listening everything that would be on the screen of your mobile, that would be in English only. So your ear will listen only English. It would be a listening practice. Through your eyes and ears, your mind will grasp everything in English. the facial expression, the voice modulation, the high pitches, the low pitches, the emotions, everything would be grasped by your mind, and it will train to your mouth muscle to speak accordingly. When everything would be English in your mind, then your mouth muscle will work accordingly, because whatever is there in your mind, it comes out from your mouth. If English would be in your mind, then English would be out of your mouth, right? So with this activity, your sixth sense would get active. Your eyes, your ear, your mouth, your mind, everything would be connected with English. If English would be there, then it would create an atmosphere English. If you would get atmosphere of an English, then speaking English would get easier. So with this atmosphere, you don't need any other partner. Your mobile phone is enough to speak and to practice, right? It's just a wonderful activity, guys, just a wonderful strategy. So give it a shot. It's my humble request, give it a try. In this strategy, your mind is trained to grasp English. Now it's time to take another step. Let's get switched to another strategy, another wonderful strategy which has crucial role in my spoken, and without that we can't imagine to get fluency, right? So the next strategy is describing the things around. This is just a phenomenal activity, guys. I can't tell in words. I enjoyed it a lot. I practiced it a lot because when I was the beginner, I told you that no one was there with me to practice, to speak. So I used to practice, I used to describing the things at my home. Whatever was being watched by my eyes, I used to explain to describe them. Whenever you are at home or out of home, whenever you are, whatever is being watched by your eyes, just start describing them. Suppose, for example, you are at home, sitting in your room. Every room has so many things, lots of things. So, for example, you are sitting at home and you are watching, the fan is there, the curtain is there, the TV is there, the table is there, the furniture is there. Start explaining them, describing them one by one. For example, you are to explain the TV. TV. I have a TV in my room. It's black in color. It has this size. I used to watch TV from this time to this time. So many things to explain. Another example of your mobile. I have a mobile phone. It is black in color. Its size is this. It is of Samsung or Apple, whatever the company is, right? I use this mobile when I get free time, or I used to watch shorts. Whatever is there in your mind, don't think that you have to be true to yourself. Start explaining the things. Whether they are right or wrong, that really doesn't matter, because we are not going to explain the things right. You can explain it in wrong way. You can just imagine yourself, right? You have to just speak. Are you speaking right? Are you speaking wrong? If you are speaking wrong thing, that really doesn't matter. But you only have to speak. You only have to describe. If you are not knowing the right thing, start explaining the wrong things, right? And one bonus tip. When I was the beginner, I used to describing the favorite movies, my favorite movies of my favorite actors. And it's just an enjoyable activity. We love to describe about our favorite actor, about our favorite cricketer, about our favorite movies. When I used to explain my favorite movies like Shah Rukh Khan movies, Veer Zara, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, so many wonderful movies, Dil To Pagal Hai, so many wonderful movies. I used to feel happy a lot when I used to describing the movies. It would be enjoyable for you also. Just give it a try. You would just love this activity. I can't tell you guys how wonderful it would be for you, because once you love the strategy, once you love the process, no one then can stop you to reach the goal, because you would love to speak about your favorite movies, about the things which you like the most, right? So don't waste your time. Just give it a try, just give it a shot. You will see a drastic change in your spoken. Now it's time to talk about the last but not the least strategy, that is talk to yourself. Because one of the biggest mistake which we all face as the beginner, we don't have anyone. And in this video, I'm just going all the strategies, 3 strategies. They all are based on the thing that we are alone, right? So talk to yourself. If no one is there, then talk to yourself. If you guys are thinking that you are alone, you can't do anything, how can you speak? How can you improve your spoken? Someone must be there to speak. If no one is there, you can't improve your English. No, you guys are wrong. You guys are really wrong, because you don't need any other one. It's your life. You have to come out yourself to solve your issue. No, any other one will come out to solve your issue. So stand out alone and face it alone. Achieve it alone. Drop the idea of having someone, right? Because you can't wait for that. Wait for the moment. It would be too late, right? And guys, you must be thinking that how is it possible to talk to yourself? Because it's very easy to talk to others, right? But it's possible. And I'm just gonna tell you how is it possible. Question and answer. Ask questions. For example, how are you? Then answer, I'm fine. I'm just feeling very happy as I just went there, right? And then ask yourself other questions like, how was your day? Then answer, it was a wonderful day. I was with my friends and we had enjoyed a lot, right? Then ask about your hobbies, about your likings, about your dislikings, and answer accordingly as you are answering to other people, right? Ask question and give answer, ask question and give answer. So many questions, so many answer. When you will ask, then you will explain, because just speak about something is good, but give answer, because there is no limit to ask question and to answer. It will create an atmosphere that you are talking to someone, and it would create a situation, then you will feel encouraged to answer to different type of answers, right? It would be an exposure for your practice, as you will encourage to speak more and more different type of questions and different type of answers, right? So guys, these were the 3 most important strategies for the people, those who think that they can't practice alone, those who think that they can't improve their English, their spoken, without partner. As it helped me a lot when I was the beginner, I also didn't have anyone to speak. I used these strategies. If they worked for me, they would definitely work for you also. So from now onward, don't blame the situation, don't blame the atmosphere that you don't have English spoken atmosphere. So no more blaming situation. Just give it a try to all these strategies and just speak. But you have to be consistent, passionate, and hardworking about your goal, that is getting fluency, right? So guys, if you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel, and please write something if you like the video, right?
So catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.